So I'm going to show you how to get online using Rebug 4.84.2. Basically, what you got to do is you start out by opening up your game manager. Well, first you want to do your fan utility. You press that. And then you press triangle because it's already running once you go in it. So you press triangle, it'll go out, it'll run in the background. And next, what you're going to want to do is open up your game manager, MMCM. Now once that comes up, you're going to want to select your game, just press X. It'll bring you back to the XMB, aka the PS3 menu. Now you see your disc is right there. Don't click on it. What you got to do first is you got to sign in online. In order to do that, go to your Rebug toolbox. Once that comes up, you're going to go over to the rightmost option called Utilities. Go all the way to the bottom. I know there's a lot of options here. So on Change Active PS3 ID, select that, and then select the bottom option there, which is Use EID 84 CEX. That's going to take a second to apply that. Alright, you press X. Now hold down the circle button to exit the Rebug toolbox and then press yes to quit. And then you go to your PSN patch application, and this is the last step before you can go ahead and sign in. And I know this is a lot of steps and everything, but this is the only way you can actually get online. So go ahead right here, press X and hold it to disable your firmware so you won't get seen by Sony and get caught and banned. So yeah, so this is a lot of steps, but this is the only way that you can actually get online here. So you go ahead and press sign in on PlayStation Network. Not on this one over here. It's the different one. It's right here. You press sign in and you enter in your password. Right, I'm going to just go ahead and then go away from the screen for a second. Alright, so once that's in there, you just click the sign in button, signing in, blah blah blah. Alright, so now you're in, and you can know that by looking at your friends list. So, and it doesn't give you an error. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to boot up your game that you have in there. So whenever you run this, your PlayStation is fully connected to PSN network, and it's gonna work online. So yeah, like I said, this is the only way you can get online after the Sony released the 4.84 update. It's kind of a bitch. It used to be easier. You didn't used to have to do the Rebug toolbox thing, but in the end, that's not a huge step. It's not a huge difference. Every single PS3 I've ever seen has to go through it this way. But that being said, I hope with the help of this video, it's hard to kind of see what's going on all the time. But for me, after a while, I just start to memorize it. And so yeah, so here I can show you that we're actually online, and we're loading the online mode right now as we speak. So yeah, that's about it.